Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to show you how to install a 7-inch JW Speaker Headlight into a Triumph adapter ring for air-cooled Triumphs. So first thing you want to do is locate the top of your headlight, which is right here. So when you flip it over, there's your top of your headlight. And when you put this ring on, it has these locators on there. You should have these going up and down from top to bottom. And when you do that, you're going to have one off here and these two off to, I guess that would be your left, will be these two, and then this one off to the bottom right side over there. All right, so now holding that, you can flip this over. You're going to see this little tab right here, and then there's a slot in this ring right here. So you want to put that right through there. And now that's over that. So now we want to grab these two small screws we got here, and they're going to drop in right over here. The number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Start that one in. And then we can start this one in here. Might have to give it just a little pressure to get the screw started. And these are tiny screws, don't go crazy tight. Just want to make it so it's snug and holding on there and not going to rattle around. So now while you're holding this headlight down, you got it in place. You want to keep pressure to keep the screw up there. I'm going to put the flat side of this square nut. You can see it's rounded on one side and square on the other. Put the square flat side down. And then it lands into that pocket. That's your adjusting screw. For later on, we're going to need to adjust the headlight. You could even go in a little bit more than that for starters. Okay. Now we want to grab these two screws here. They pop through here. And you have the rubber, the square with the rubber on it. Needs to be on the other side of that. So it could be a little tricky getting that in there. Use a screwdriver to back it up. So these square nuts are a 10 millimeter. So with my 10 millimeter wrench, I can hold it and tighten that up. Okay, I'll do the same thing on the other side. I'll use a smaller screwdriver this time. Actually has a magnet on it. Might help. Again, because it's getting tight through this hole here. Okay. And that's it. Now you can install it back into your headlight. This is your adjusting screw here. That'll be on the bottom. So as you tighten this, it moves that headlight in and out. So once it's on the bike, you can adjust that and see where your light beam is heading and just adjust it accordingly. So that's all there is. Thanks for watching.